మహాలక్ష్మి పథకం స్కూటీలు ఇవ్వాలి. We demand budget for Mahalakshmi Padakam of 2,500 and immediate scooties also for the youngsters and Tulam Bangaram. At the same time, we demand protection for women in Telangana. Women are not safe. Women are not safe in Telangana. We demand protection, women protection cells for women. At the same time, she-teams and so immediate budget of Mahalakshmi Padakam should be released and Tulam Bangaram should be given. What all the promises they have been given earlier, they have to allocate funds for that.